What's up, guys? It's Ryan with the AOMC and MXG YouTube channels. It's a cold day in January here in Appalachia. We're expecting a big snowstorm to come in. They're over there salting right now. But I brought you guys videos before of bikes while it's snowing, so we'll do it again today. This is a 2022 GasGas MC250. It's new for this year. They did not offer a 250 two-stroke motocrosser in 2021, so that's why this is worthy of talking about for a second, worthy of a walk around. Very cool. If for some reason you are not familiar with the GasGas, guys, it's the best value in motocross right now, in dirt bikes right now. You get all the amazing components that make a KTM and a Husqvarna awesome, but some of the things you don't need are not included. They trimmed a little bit of the fat and they keep that cost down. For example, the GasGases don't come with machined painted triple clamps. They come with cast. Now this is completely rider preference as to whether you think cast or machined is better. A lot of motocross guys like the flexibility of cast. Cast flexes kind of like the steel frame flexes. It just is a different feel. That's all preference. Also, you'll always hear people knocking the Huskies about the carbon composite frames they've had the last few years. Well, in the GasGas, you get the aluminum frame that the KTM has. So same subframe as the KTM. The seat on the GasGas is the exact same as the KTM. You can swap them in and out. I mean, it's a KTM, guys, for all intents and purposes, with a little bit of the fat trimmed and a good bit less expensive. So your next question, how less expensive? Well, the 2022 KTM 250 SX is going to come in at about $85. That's $8,500. And the GasGas MC is going to come in at $78.99. So you're going to save about $600, and you're getting the same engine, guys, the same suspension, the same chassis, you know, virtually the same machine. And let's be honest, this thing looks good too. All the red, it's pretty amazing. As of posting right now, guys, this thing is available. So this is the only one we're getting this year. So if you want a GasGas MC250, you need to give AOMC a call and ask to be connected to John in sales. You can also email sales@aomc.mx and he will get you hooked up. GasGas also gets the silver bars instead of the black bars. You get the silver wheels instead of the black wheels. Personally, I prefer the silver wheels more. I like the contrast between the silver and black. Keeps your tire looking better. Just a sweet machine. You get the red frame instead of a black or orange frame. These bikes are the real deal, guys, and there's still a lot of people out there that don't realize that this is just a tried and true KTM with a few little tweaks. That's it. All right, guys, if you appreciate these videos, I tell you, I'll get a walk around as soon as the bike arrives here and we get it out of the crate, and I try to do that for you guys every time. So if you appreciate that, hit the red button. If you want to go one step further and be able to talk dirt bikes with me, message me anytime you want, ask me questions, whatever, then hit the blue join button and join my race team. Thanks so much. I'll see you in the next video.